The number of cases around the world has now topped 10 million, more than 500,000 deaths. At least 1 in 4 of the world's cases here in the United States.
How do we travel socially distant?
Road trip.
Okay.
I'm over this place.
It smells really bad here. The heck out of here. Checking out. I just had a nap for lunch. We're about to lose the drone. It's going down. Holy fuck, the water is freezing here. Oh shit, let's go, let's go. Dude, I'm getting a cramp.
It's so scary.
Alright, so let me finish these nuts right up here. So it's day 1 of our road trip adventures through Utah.
First of all, welcome back to Destination Hampton. Woo!
We start our road trip in our hometown of Phoenix, Arizona. With a comfortable rented Nissan Pathfinder, we drive 4.5 hours to Las Vegas, Nevada for a photo at the Vegas sign and Ugo Rondinone's colorful large-scale public artwork, The 7 Magic Mountains. But before we get to Nevada, we must survive our first grumpy day of driving.
So first thing we're doing is
So this is day 1 of our road trip through. So this is day 1 of our 10+ day road trip through Utah. We actually lied. Our first stop is the Las Vegas sign. Stephanie wanted to get a badass picture here, so the Las Vegas sign is behind us right here.
We're actually celebrating our 2-year wedding anniversary here next week, and we decided, why not make an adventure out of it and do something? Obviously, coronavirus happened, and it canceled a lot of other travel plans we had in mind, so we just decided last minute, you know what, let's just go on a road trip. Socially distant, friendly road trip to Utah. And the first stop is...
The 7 Magic Mountains were created by Ugo Rondinone, who is a renowned Swiss artist, and this is a 2-year exhibition located in the deserts outside of Las Vegas, Nevada. The exhibit features totems comprised of painted, locally sourced boulders. It is a very popular photo destination, and there is many people here, especially when we were here around sunset. It's located approximately 10 miles south of the intersection of Las Vegas Boulevard and St. Rose Parkway in Henderson. All right, Stephanie, where are we at right now?
7 Magic Mountains in Nevada.
7 Magic Mountains. It's about 20 minutes outside of Las Vegas here. This is our second stop on our 10+ day road trip.
It's a little busy right now, guys.
It's very windy here. I'm gonna try to fly the drone. I don't know how that's gonna work out though. We're gonna be spending the night tonight in Vegas, and then we're gonna be getting up at like 4 o'clock in the morning to catch sunrise at Fire Valley.
It's a surprise.
Oh shit. Delete that last part.
So this exhibition actually opened in 2016 and was originally scheduled to be on view for 2 years only, but it was so popular that at the end of 2018 they issued a 3-year permit extension, and now it's scheduled to be there until the end of 2021. So get there while it's still there, guys.
Alright, we are done with the 7 Magic Mountains.
I think that was a success.
I think it was. Now it's time for the next part of the journey. We were getting really tired from the day's driving, so we headed onto the strip to check into our hotel for the night, Caesar's Palace. We were only about to get 4 hours of sleep before we headed out for sunrise to another stunning desert location. This time though, unlike 7 Magic Mountains, there wouldn't be a single soul around for many, many miles. Me and Stephanie have been trying to figure out how to open this window for like 3 hours now. We have finally got it open. So after carrying these two 500-pound bags for about 35 minutes, we finally managed to get all of our shit from our car, from the parking lot to the front desk to check in, and then finally to our room. It was like a 40-minute process, but we are in our room finally in Caesar's Palace. This is the view behind us right now from our balcony. As you can see, it's not a bad view, it's pretty cool. We did a lot today, but we are very, very tired. We're gonna go grab a really cold alcoholic beverage and maybe grab some dinner, and then we gotta wake up at like 3:30 in the morning to catch the sunrise at Fire Valley. Let's do this. Oh my god, look at this. They're fucking goats. Oh my god, dude. Damn, you guys should try my salty nuts. They're freaking amazing. Stephanie loves them. Right, honey?